Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I have 7 message requests. What happened?
Today we're solving a Rubik's speed cube. We got I have 91 subscribers. Okay, here we go. Solving the Rubik's cube. Boom. Okay. We got the top like that. We have this little cross now. We have the corners. What is that from that? What? They hate me. Okay, now we got the first layer. You see that? The first layer. Okay. Now I need to get these little side pieces right here, you know? Okay. We're getting there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we got the first 2 layers. So now we gotta get the cross up here with the yellow. But I don't know how to do that, so we're gonna figure it out. Now we have to get these ones matching. Okay, now we got those ones matching. Now we gotta get these corners to face up. Okay.
Someone find it. No, we're going. It's there. We both get after third, and my BMW's faster.
What is it?
Someone put money somewhere for someone.
I'm not that broke.
Money.
I are.
I'm really lost. I don't know what to do next. Oh.
Why could you be saying that?
Yeah.
It's up to you. I'll go if
I'm
you go.
doing it wrong.
Because it's kind of
Okay, I want each.
Yeah, if I
Now I want to do it like this.
I'll let you know if I don't.
That didn't do anything. Boom. That still didn't do anything.
It's Mr. Chen.
I want.
You've never seen
Wait.
You don't know Mr. Chen?
never seen this stuff. I feel like no.
Why are the corners not in the right spots? Tell me that much. Okay, my Rubik's Cube isn't Rubik's Cubing. I should have gone live. I don't have enough followers though. You guys make sure you subscribe. Bro, this actually rage me. What the? How did I mess up? To restart because I messed it up. Where's the right corner? Oh, what did I just do? Okay, we're back to the start.
Tell them to share too. Like, subscribe, share.
Why don't you share? A moment of silence. Because you never stop talking. Upside, downside, upside, side, downside. Is that right? Okay, none of them are right. Okay, guys, we're almost there.
Anybody with open book home.
You do?